Hi, I wanted to share with you how I prepare Brazilian beans. It's a staple in our cuisine and quite comforting. Here's my recipe. Ingredients: 3 cups of white or black beans, 6 cups of water, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 medium onion, chopped, smoked calabrese sausage and bacon to your liking, salt, black pepper, rosemary, and cilantro to taste. Instructions: 1. Soak the beans. The day before cooking, soak the beans in water to help remove compounds that cause gas. Change the water a few times during this period. 2. Cook the beans, drain and discard the soaking water. In a pressure cooker, combine the beans with 6 cups of fresh water. Cook on high heat for about 25 minutes. 3. Release pressure. After cooking, remove the pressure cooker from heat and let it sit for about 10 minutes to cool down before opening. 4. Prepare the seasoning. In a separate pan, cut the smoked calabrese sausage and bacon into small pieces and saute them until browned. 5. Add aromatics. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic to the pan with the meats and continue sauteing until the onion becomes translucent and everything is fragrant. 6. Combine. Add this mixture to the cooked beans. Season with salt, black pepper, rosemary, and cilantro according to your taste. 7. Thicken the beans optional. For a creamier consistency, take a ladleful of the beans, blend them until smooth, and then stir this back into the pot. 8. Simmer. Heat the beans over medium heat for a few more minutes, stirring occasionally, until the broth thickens to your desired consistency. I hope you enjoy making and tasting this dish.